Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix sorry you have been blocked error for any website. So first you need to do is go to settings and then go to Windows Update. Now make sure your Windows is up to date. Now if you have update your Windows, go to Firewall and Network Protection. And then here you will be able to see the virus and threat protection. Go to that. And now find this virus and threat protection settings and click the manage settings. Now you have to turn off this settings, all of this one. Now after that, go to your Chrome and then go to extension and manage extension. Now, you have to remove those extensions that you have that might be causing the block of your website. Now, after you remove those extensions, go again to settings and then go to privacy and security. And then click the delete browsing data and you have to clear your browsing data. Now you can also scroll all the way down to your privacy and security and select this standard protection. And then scroll all the way down to advanced settings. And then make sure to change the DNS provider to Cloudflare 1.1.1. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.